just mammals, but they're biggest on the land. So when I say please step away, I know you'll understand. They've got two tusks up front for fighting or digging in the dirt, so you can see how easily you'd end up getting hurt. Get out of the way, get out of the way. The elephants are coming through your town today. Get out of the way, get out of the way. The elephants are coming through your town today. The elephants are coming through your town today. They're great communicators with waves called infrasound. Seismically clear, you'd barely hear them travel through the ground. And while the cows all stick together and congregate at home, the bulls go out and walk about, they'd rather be alone. Get out of the way, get out of the way. The elephants are coming through your town today. Get out of the way, get out of the way. The elephants are coming through your town today. Elephants are coming through your town today. Elephants are coming through your town today.
Did you hear about the farmer who had a house built in Sri Lanka? Well, it was right in the middle of an elephant migration path.
And boy, those elephants didn't care for it one bit. In fact, they got tired of walking around it.
And one day, they walked right through it.
Get out of the way, get out of the way. The elephants are coming through your house today. Get out of the way, get out of the way.